Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to register a Nextiva phone. If you're new to Nextiva, or if you're just looking for a refresher, this video is for you. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to talk about why I chose Nextiva. Nextiva is a great phone system for businesses of all sizes. It's easy to use, affordable, and packed with features. I've been using Nextiva for years now, and I've been very happy with it. So, let's get started. Step 1. Create an account. The first thing you need to do is create a Nextiva account. You can do this by going to the Nextiva website and clicking on the Sign Up button. Once you're on the Sign Up page, you'll need to provide your name, email address, and password. Step 2. Add a user. Once you've created your account, you'll need to add a user. This user will be the person who will be using the phone. You can do this by going to the Users tab and clicking on the Add User button. Once you're on the Add User page, you'll need to provide the user's name, email address, and password. Step 3. Assign a phone number. Once you've added a user, you'll need to assign them a phone number. You can do this by going to the Phones tab and clicking on the Add Phone Number button. Once you're on the Add Phone Number page, you'll need to select the type of phone number you want, local, toll-free, or vanity, and then enter the number. Step 4. Set up the phone. Once you've assigned a phone number to your user, you'll need to set up the phone. This can be done by downloading the Nextiva app to your phone or by using the Nextiva web portal. Once you've set up the phone, you'll be able to make and receive calls, send and receive text messages, and use all of the other features of Nextiva. Step 5. Connect your phone to Wi-Fi. If you're using the Nextiva app, you'll need to connect your phone to Wi-Fi. This will allow you to make and receive calls and text messages over Wi-Fi, which can help to save you money on your phone bill. Step 6. Add contacts. Once you've set up your phone, you can add contacts. You can do this by going to the Contacts tab and clicking on the Add Contact button. Once you're on the Add Contact page, you'll need to enter the contact's name, phone number, and email address. Step 7. Make a call. Once you've added contacts to your phone, you can make a call. You can do this by opening the Nextiva app and tapping on the Dialer tab. Then, enter the phone number of the person you want to call and tap on the Call button. Step 8. Send a text message. You can also send text messages using the Nextiva app. To do this, open the app and tap on the Messaging tab. Then, enter the phone number of the person you want to text and type your message. Tap on the Send button to send the text message. Step 9. Use the other features of Nextiva. In addition to making calls and sending text messages, you can also use Nextiva to do the following: hold calls, transfer calls, conference calls, record calls, leave voicemail, set up call forwarding, create custom ringtones, and much more. I hope this video has helped you to learn how to register a Nextiva phone. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.